So in this question, I'm going to determine the solution of a system using the substitution method. So what you need to do in this method is find an explicit equation for one of the variables. And what I mean by that is, like, here's x. Now just solve, what is x actually equal to from this first equation. And it's so easy. All you have to do is isolate that variable x. And what's it equal to? Well, I know it's equal to 17. And what about this plus 4y? All I have to do is subtract 4y on both sides, and it's moved. So now I have an explicit equation for x. I know exactly what x is all about. It's 17 minus 4y. What that allows me to do is to take this value of x and sub it in right there. I'm going to make a substitution of variables. So in my second equation, when I begin writing it for the second time, I'm going to rewrite it 2 times x. Well, what is x? Remember, it's over here. So what I can do is change this x to a 17 minus 4y because they're equal to each other. X is equal to 17 minus 4y. And that, if I continue this equation, I still have a minus y and a 7. Now you'll notice that in this equation, you have two variables, but they're the exact same. They're both y. That's what you're looking for. You want one equation with one variable so you can solve exactly the value of y. So in order to do that, we first have to distribute through this 2 into the brackets. 2 times 17 and 2 times minus 4. Rewrite the equation and combine like ideas. So you got some y's on the left. I'm going to put them over there on the right. So how many y's do I have? I have a minus 8 and a minus 1. So that's a minus 9 in total. So minus 9 on the other side is a positive 9y. And I have 7 on the right. I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. Okay, so 34 minus 7, 27. And now I know exactly what my value of y is. 9 groups of y, it gives me 27, so y is 3. With that value of y, what I can do is take it and substitute it back up here in my equation for x so I can find out what x is. So let me do that now. X is equal to 17 minus 4y, but what is y? We just found that out to be 3. So x is 17 minus 12, x is 5. Okay, so you have two answers, x equal to 5, y equal to 3. Okay, so what does that all mean? This point on the graph, 5, 3, will satisfy both equations and hence be a special point called the intersection. Okay, thank you.